It's no secret that project management is incredibly important for all kinds of companies and small teams. But when it comes to initial project brainstorming, organizing all those thoughts and ideas can be quite chaotic. It's a good thing we live in a time where there's software to solve that mind-boggling problem. Hey, what's going on, project managers? It's me, Meredith, and today we're covering mind mapping, more specifically mind mapping tools that help project management teams. But first, what exactly is a mind map? The term was coined back in 1974 by British author and TV presenter Tony Buzan. The reason behind this technique was to support the idea that people think in images rather than linear steps or lists. So it's an intuitive tool for capturing their ideas in their natural order. For Buzan, that meant having each branch represent a different idea or thought connected by lines to other branches. Branches can also have smaller branches on them that represent subtopics within those topics, which are called subbranches or sub-subbranches, and so on. Think spider maps with a few more rules. Mind mapping left such an impact on the corporate world that it's still utilized today. But instead of drawing it out on paper by hand, desktop and mobile app software were programmed to create these mind maps for us, which leaves the question, what tools are available? Well, here are 3 mind mapping tools that I found that can help any project management team. Let's start with MindMeister. It's a cloud-based mind mapping software that lets you create, share, and collaborate on mind maps online. Its biggest strength is its robust feature set. This tool offers all of the basic features you'd expect from a mind mapping app: drag and drop functionality, images, notes, lists, and more. It also lets users collaborate on maps through its built-in commenting system, as well as attach files and documents to specific nodes in their map. The most popular feature in MindMeister's compatibility with other productivities such as Trello or Basecamp. This allows users to link their MindMeister account with these apps and use them together in a seamless manner. The free version allows you to create up to 5 mind maps and share them with others in the public domain. You can also subscribe to their premium plan, which gives you unlimited access to all features, including the ability to password protect your maps. Next up is Mindomo. It's a mind mapping tool that can also be used for project management. It has all the features and capabilities you need to organize your thoughts, ideas, and plans. With this tool, you can create mind maps in an intuitive environment with a variety of styles, shapes, and colors. You can also import files from different sources or export files in different formats, such as JPEG or PDF. Also, like MindMeister, Mindomo also lets you collaborate with other team members using real-time synchronous editing and commenting. This feature makes Mindomo a good choice for online team projects. Features in subscription tiers include mind maps with an unlimited number of branches, automatic layout algorithms for better overview and usability, colored branches and labels to improve readability, integrations with Google Drive like Docs, Dropbox, OneDrive, SkyDrive, Box, Ignite, Evernote, and others. However, if you don't want to commit to the subscription cost right away, there's a free version available with a limited number of diagrams to create. Finally, we have Xmind. Like the others, it's a mind mapping tool that can be used to visualize information in a way that is easy to understand. Plus, it's a great tool for project managers who want to create and share complex diagrams with their teams. Xmind allows users to create maps and then add tasks, notes, and images. It also supports handwriting recognition and allows users to add links between tasks. This means it's possible to add documents related to specific tasks so they can be accessed easily while working on the project. In addition, the app supports collaboration features such as simultaneous editing of maps and real-time sharing of changes with other users through the cloud service or an API like the application programming interface. There are no limits on the number of people who can work on a map at once or the number of maps that can be created in each account, which makes it ideal for large projects with many participants. Along with that, Xmind makes it easy for users to keep track of where they are up to in their tasks without getting lost in unproductive activities, such as searching through emails or trying to remember where you put something important last week or even yesterday. The software is available as an online app, desktop application, and mobile app. All are available to download for free, but certain features can only be accessed with a 6-month or annual subscription plan. It's safe to say that all these tools achieve the same goal, which is to allow users to utilize mind mapping software and features. But the UX interface for each of them is completely different, so I highly recommend giving each a try for yourself to determine which is the best for your team. Also, if you have any experience with one or more of these tools, then go ahead and leave a comment. The more advice, the better. Now, all these tools are readily available online for anyone to try out. Links to free trials and versions are listed in the description below. And while you're online, go check out project-management.com for the latest software reviews, or visit the Technology Advice YouTube channel for more overview videos if you want to continue exploring other project management tools. If you found this video helpful, be sure to click that like icon, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of these kinds of videos. Thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!